Okay, so this video is for the normal people, the people that haven't put their Christmas tree yet and they are not even thinking about Christmas right now. We're still thinking about Thanksgiving, and with Thanksgiving around the corner, we want to impress our family and friends. I don't know about y'all, but I want my table to look clean, elegant, and beautiful. So in today's video, I'm going to help you out. I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to make your kitchen table look beautiful. Now, the first thing I like to do, I like to start with either my table runner or my tablecloth. And for this video, I am using a table runner because the tablecloth I've been using for fall, I've been using it since August, I believe, like late August. And it really, I'm gonna be honest, it needs cleaning. It's got stains on it, it's wrinkled, it's got crumbs, it just needs washing. So I went ahead and got this table runner from Walmart. I got me like this beige color, and I just thought this would look so perfect with the look I am going for. Now you can use a tablecloth, but I'm just gonna give you like a tip. When you use tablecloth, I would put like a plastic coating on top of it, because I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to get dirty and messy so fast. Like, I can't tell you how many times I had to wash my tablecloth. So, but I prefer a table runner. It doesn't need that much maintenance with it, and it's just easy to roll across your table. Now, for the second thing I would recommend is you put a plate mat. It could be plastic or woven like this. It could be square or circle. It's just whatever you feel. But for me, I'm going with this woven thing because one, I already had it, and I think this color looks really good with the table runner that I bought. This part is completely optional, but I like to put chargers on my placemat. It just gives it such a more elegant, luxurious look when you add chargers. You know how you go to like a fancy event or like a nice little dinner banquet and they have those beautiful chargers? That's what I want my guests to feel when they come into my house for Thanksgiving. I just want to give them that elegant look. So after I put my table runner on or my tablecloth, and then I got my chargers and plates on, the next thing I like to do is move on to glassware. Wine glasses should be placed to the upper right of the dinner plate, about maybe like 2 inches from the edge of the plate. And if possible, make sure your wine glasses match the overall theme you're going with. So we are moving on to one of my favorite parts of this video, is the centerpiece, the final piece of making this table just look elegant and beautiful. For a simple, budget-friendly look, we're going to use decorations from the fall decor. We're going to be using these plastic pumpkins. We're going to use tea lights, and we're going to use some greenery. Now, the tea lights and the greenery I had to buy from Dollar Tree, but the white wax candles and the pumpkins I got from my fall decor. Now, with the 2 tall white candles you're going to place them at each end of the table runner, and they're going to act as your anchor. You want to make sure they're not too close to the plate. And then you're going to take 2 medium-sized white candles and you're going to place them in the center, but not too close. You want to make sure there's enough room for the other pieces like the greenery and the pumpkin and the tea lights to go in between. Now, what you're going to do is take the greenery and you're going to run it along the table runner, but you're going to weave it back and forth between the candles. Make sure that they're not too long so they can fit on the table runner and fit between the candles. And you want to make sure there's plenty of room for the orange pumpkin. If you had to, you're probably just going to have to trim the branches down to make sure they all fit. And then you're going to take small orange pumpkins along the greenery, alternating on either side of the table runner. Make sure they're not like directly aligned with each other or each side. Make sure they're like kind of like a diagonal angle to give balance. Okay, y'all, the table decor so far is coming together so nice. Like, I'm just impressed at how a little bit of things can make something look so beautiful. And now we're getting to one of my favorite parts of the table centerpiece. I don't know why it's my favorite, but on the candles, the little LED candles, if you know me and my channel, I love candles. So we're going to use these LED candles and we're going to put it across the table in like a strategic way. You don't want it to cluster or too busy, but you just want to put together just right. Okay, now that our table is arranged and everything is decorated, I want to do one more thing. Now, this one more thing, you don't have to do it, but it's something I want to do. I want to put an apple basket. Like, I don't know why, I just equate like with fall decor, Thanksgiving decor, we're having like some sort of apple basket. And this would be perfect for people that want to make a pie for Thanksgiving. They could just go into their apple basket and pick apples and just make a pie with it. But it's totally optional. You don't have to do this. This is just like an accessory to the Thanksgiving decor. Okay, y'all, we got our table runner, we got our centerpiece, the plates, everything set up. And I want to show y'all this final look of my table decor. And as I'm filming this right now, I just realized I forgot to show y'all the silverware. Oh my gosh. But I will show y'all the silverware. Then I'm going to show y'all the grand finale, the reveal. Now, the rule of etiquette is the fork is supposed to be placed on the left side and the knife is always on the right side of the dinner plate. And the spoon always goes to the right side of the knife. This is the final look of the table decor, and I have to say, y'all, it is gorgeous and I am impressed. I hope these tips inspire you to create a beautiful Thanksgiving table on a budget, and let me know in the comments which idea you love the most, or if you have any special tradition you do with your tablescape. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more cozy content like this, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.